MTM Hydro's Italian-manufactured PF22 foam cannon sets the standard for foaming. The PF22 includes 2 orifices and a 32-ounce calibrated standing bottle with cap to dial in the best foam, along with a fitting pack to attach it to any pressure washing setup. The body of the foam cannon is solid brass and nickel-plated for superior corrosion resistance. On top is an adjustment knob to increase or decrease the chemical draw. And unlike many competitors, this is a detent knob, so you get the same measured draw every time you pick up the foam cannon. The nozzle is a 2-stage rotating nozzle for vertical or horizontal applications with fan blades that adjust to further dial in foam padding. The PF22 is the only foam cannon on the market that provides thick, consistent foam every time. The PF22 is also part of the Magnum 28 with QC's kit. This kit pairs the PF22 with the SGS 28 spray gun and fittings. The SGS 28 is the workhorse of the detailing industry, from weekend warriors to professionals and everything in between. Made in Italy, the SGS 28 features the easy pull trigger for less hand fatigue while working long hours, impact-resistant housing for excellent ergonomics, and stainless steel swivel to keep your hose from getting in the way. And all stainless QC fittings to connect your M22 fitted pressure washer hose to your new Magnum kit.